Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can rotate the video on Shotcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Shotcut application, and first of all, I'm going to open the project I have just created. This one, I'm going to open up this project and I'm going to rotate the video in this project. If you want to rotate a video in Shotcut, we need to click on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now, and we can simply go to the crop menu, and here there will be some options for you, and since we want to rotate our video, we can click on rotate. Okay, I'm just going to rotate it like this, and now it's done. As you can see that I have rotated this video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to rotate a video on Shotcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.